Bahay na kami, guys! Bahay na kami. I think pangalawang vlog na to kasi napakahaba na siguro. Ang dami naming ganap kanina. Anyway, nagpunta kami sa Harry Scarf, Parafield na Asian Grocery, TTP. So, yeah. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga binili namin, guys. Iba-ibang Harry Scarf yung pinuntahan namin, guys. I think ito yung sa ano to, Jeps Cross. Bumili ako ng Lock and Lock. Parang baonan, guys, pero glass. Kasi nagta-transition na ako sa mga glass na baonan. Ayoko na yung plastic. Yung lid niya plastic, pero okay lang. Basta yung ano niya, lalagyan talaga ng pagkain glass. So, bumili ako ng isang round, tsaka isang square, pang baon, guys. Kasi yung nabili ko sa IKEA, round siya, tapos parang deep. Deep! Malalim ba? And then we got our bowls, finally, na nag-match sa plato na binili namin last week. So, guys, we got 5. Napakita ko to sa previous vlog ko. Yeah. Nirap siya ni ate. So, lagay natin siya doon. Meron akong marami kaming mga bags dito. Kasi hindi ko pa siya naayos. Kasi yung cabinet may crack. Papalitan pa siya ni Dan before namin siya i-install talaga. And then, nagpunta kami sa Asian Grocery. Bumili kami ng turon, guys. Banana turon. Mahal pala to, $20. Pero ano na siya, marami na siya. So, you wanna help me?
Yeah, that's it.
Put this in the freezer. And then, sitaw. Para sa pinakbet ko one day. Sliced beef, guys, para kapag feel namin mag-beef barbecue, at least meron na kami. You can put this in the freezer as well. And then, sapsap. Ano pala yung ano nito? Yung, what do you call that? English? Slip mouth? Sapsap. Yan. Dried fish natin, guys. And then, bumili din ako ng tusino. Nakita ko doon may tusino. Yan. And then, bumili ako ng spring roll wrapper. Para kung gusto kong maglumpia. Maliit lang siya. Meron silang malaki doon, pero yung pinili ko yung maliit. And then, 4 na sinigang mix. Gusto kong mag-try mag-sinigang one day. Kasi lagi kong sinasabi na, lagi nag-fail yung sinigang ko. And Lyra, like, kinda showed me how to cook it yesterday. So, sabi niya kasi, mas gusto niya yung sinigang sa gabi. And then, yung pinunta ko talaga sa Parafield na shop is yung Mane and Tail na Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. Ang mahal nito dito, grabe, $15. Hindi na natin yan i-convert kasi masakit sa heart. Nagpunta kami sa house outlet, guys. Meron silang closing down sale kasi magre-renovate. So, hindi sa magko-close talaga yung shop. Magre-renovate lang sila. Bumili kami doon ng wok. Kasi yung wok namin ngayon, sobrang laki. Pakita ko yung wok namin ngayon, ha? Ito, guys. Over sa laki. So, bumili ako nito na maliit na version. Parang, yeah, mas maliit siya. Sabi ko, parang magkapareho lang. Ito, sobrang wide niya kasi na parang hindi nakaka-cover ng apoy lahat. Pero yeah, at least meron na kami nito. This was on sale, I think from $49 something to $24. So, 50% off. And then, we just went to Woolies para bumili ng cashews, Coke. Kasi pupunta dito mamaya yung papa ni Dan. We got this as well. Kasi magdi-dinner kami sa labas. Tapos, after ng dinner, pupunta sila dito para mag-chill. So, just in case gusto nila kumain, diba? At least meron yan. Oh! Saan to, guys? Parafield pa din to. Eggs. We got eggs. Kasi ang mura ng eggs doon, in fairness. So, bumili lang kami ng eggs. At saka yung drink na gusto ko, ramune. Yung lagi kong in-order kapag pumupunta kami sa ramen shop. I think this is a Japanese drink. This is nice. Yung may bola. Masarap to, guys. And that is it. That is it po. Yan. Ligpitin lang natin to. And then, magba-vacuum ako kasi hindi ko na tapos malinis kanina. Kasi yung vacuum, low-bat pala. Tapos dumating din yung cabinet people. Deliver nila yung cabinet namin. Okay. Linis lang tayo, guys. Tapos after natin maglinis, mag-prepare tayo. Can I throw this away? Junk mail. Guys, meron kaming wishbone dito. Oh, let's put this in the fridge. Yes.
And the eggs.
Dami nating beer, babe, huh? Where did you get all the beers?
What?
In the fridge, we've got like heaps of beers. Where did you get it? Where?
The shop.
Oh, you bought it? Guys, meron kaming wishbone. Wishbone. Bumili kami ng isang chicken one time, tapos nakita ko tong wishbone. And usually, nagwi-wish kami. So, well, how do you do this again? You wish and then...
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, you wish first and then you pull or what? Do you wish first?
No, I don't know, babe. I don't think it's true. Whatever you want to do.
Wait. Are you gonna make a wish?
I'm making one right now.
Are you serious? Okay, I'll make a wish. Wait, sa, don't sa, wait.
Anyway, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, sa, wait. Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
3.
You got it again! Last time he got it. What was your wish?
You don't want to know. Will it come true?
Was it a proper wish?
It was a proper wish.
Because mine was a really good wish. And then you just ruined it. Kapag nakuha yung malaki, guys, sila yung panalo. Like, yung wish daw nila yung matutupad. And twice in a row na, nasa kanya yung ano. Katapos ko lang maglinis, guys. Makeup lang tayo kasi nga wala akong makeup sa mukha ko. See, kahit na wala akong makeup, maputi pa din yung mukha ko tingnan kaysa sa leeg ko. I-whitening ko kaya tong leeg ko. I-whitening talaga. Anong gagamitin natin? Ito. Hourglass na Mineral Veil Foundation. Tama ba yun? Hourglass na Vanish Foundation. Yung Mineral Veil, yung primer pala yun nila. Wait. Speaking of primer, mag-primer tayo. Mineral Veil Primer. Ano yun natin yung mukha natin? Hinugasan ko na yung kamay ko. Kasi naglinis ako kanina. After nito, kapag may time pa ako, mag-film ako ng haul, guys. Kasi ang tagal nung yesterday package dun sa kwarto. Hindi ko pa na-open kasi wala akong off this week. Ito, sobrang bilis lang nitong foundation na to. Ilagay, ganyan mo lang. Meron akong eyebrow product, pero konti lang. Yung sa Sephora na parang powder. Like, parang loose powder. Okay, now, concealer. Yung gagamitin ko na concealer is yung sobrang gandang NARS concealer, guys. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Yung shade ko pala, medium to ginger. Ginger, guys. Kasi parang sa previous vlog ko, sinabi ko medium. Yung shade niya talaga is ginger. Tapos yung parang classy ata or sa category ng medium to. Ewan ko. Iyan, I'm not sure if makikita nyo. Pero yung kitang-kita, sabi medium. Tapos below that, it says ginger. So, ginger yung shade ko, guys. Alright, tapusin ko lang tong mukha ko, guys. Ayun, guys, tapos na yung mukha natin. Magbibihis lang tayo. Pero ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung nasa lips ko, guys. This is from Saemul. Saemmul. Creamy Fix Lip Liner. Mine is in the shade 04. Pero ganyan siya, guys. Pabebe. Okay. Yeah, magbihis na ako, guys. Tas, sana may time pa tayo mag-film. Check natin yung oras. Kasi sayang yung makeup, besh. Guys, katatapos ko lang mag-film. And makalat na naman. Kakalinis lang natin kanina, pero makalat na naman. Pero okay lang. Ay, maya-maya lang darating na dito yung papa ni Dan. Hindi na naman natin siya papasukin sa kwarto na yun. So, okay lang. Guys, mag-OOTN lang ako before sila dumating. So, this is my outfit. Ding, 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 ding. We'll start with the shoes. My shoes is from Parisian. SM sa Palawan namin siya nabili. Now, my pants is from ASOS. It's the, like, crop pants. And then, my top is from Temp. Nagamit ko nito, guys, sa binyag. And ganyan lang siya. Off-shoulder siya. Off-shoulder siyang ganyan. And then, my coat is from Boohoo. Yung ginamit ko din sa binyag. And yan lang yung outfit ko for the night. Dance outfit. Top from How do you pronounce that? Kono?
It's my new favourite outfit. You'll see this every weekend.
Hoodie and pants from Connor. Connor. And shoes, what shoes will you be wearing?
I'm wearing with these.
Huh? Wala na siyang butas. Okay, good.
Did it work? Hello. It worked.
We're going to the Spanish restaurant.
For some reason, for the next hour.
Yeah, only road. You got my gold card? It says it in here. Oh, it's here.
Check it. I don't have it.
Because we've got nothing bangers and a couple of new songs to play for you as well.
You do?
New
Oh, good.
Ariana Grande.
Did you have to register or not?
Nah, but it was already registered though.
Can you use it more than once at the same place?
No, you
Nah,
can't.
they cross it out.
Cross it out.
Yeah.
Plus, Kendrick Lamar is in the country.
So I was going to say,
He's done
you can't
shows
find
in
it.
So did you knock on the neighbour's house or?
Give you
No. I was going to go in there and she goes, no, go in that one.
an hour of music to get through. The longer
I thought you would have recognised the car.
play some
Yeah, I saw the car.
This is a good pub. You don't like it?
Yeah, we came here once and with all of you.
Yeah,
Oh.
I like this pub.
Oh,
You see this outdoor area is really nice.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
This outdoor area is really good as well.
They have the cinema there for the
Yeah,
kids. Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember now. We were there with them, babe. Do you remember?
Yeah, yeah,
They've done this place up though.
yeah. They done a good job. So I called up and I booked it, and then they said, "Oh, you can eat downstairs, yada yada." And then I called back and the next day and said, "Oh, can I still use the car?" They said, "No, you can't use the car unless you eat upstairs." So I said, "Oh, yeah." I said, "Oh, don't worry about it."
We'll go another night there.
Yeah, we'll go there. I've been dying to go there.
Yeah, we'll go another time.
Have you ever eaten there?
What?
That's like, it's stupidly expensive. Like it's, Rock's been there once. It's like a $500 or $1,000 for a meal.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's something stupid.
We're here. Welcome. Welcome to Villa 70. Patatas bravas. Lamb.
Stay away. What do you He's
Oh,
the
I love
one that.
Yeah, no, I love
So I put it in the food, but I don't let him know that it's garlic.
Oh, he doesn't like it? Why? It's so good.
He goes, you smell of garlic.
More
We should have
food.
traveled in the past.
You can still do
You still can do it now. Travel. Go to the Philippines. Paella.
Ooh, they just won. That's good.
Are they the footy tips that
Not really footy tips. I'm not very good at footy tips. But the team that lost tonight was the top team, and so it was good for Port.
Who's the top team? Richmond?
Richmond, they lost.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So now if Port wins, we're going to be equal points at the top.
It's like midnight.
Oh, today we went shopping and
Oh,
everybody's shopping.
oh, it was packed.
We went
What is this?
We went Jeb's Cross Homemaker Centre, and then went to Tidri Plaza as well. Packed, busy.
And it's always hard to find parking there.
I know. So hard.
Whenever we go, we always going around.
This pub's a bit different as well.
When we pay, the queue is really long.
Only, what was it? Only in Cly, is it?
It's actually changed a little bit. There used to be a bit funny upstairs. It used to be called something else.
This guy.
Yeah.
They have 50 to 70% off. Yeah, that's why we went there. We got plates. It's good.
I work along this road.
And we got
Oh, yeah.
cabinet
I work
we actually
a
got
bit further that way.
it got delivered today, and I was so excited to set it up, but it has a crack. So Dad said, no, we don't want it.
Yeah, we spent $1,000 on this buffet,
They have to
and
pick it up.
Rose is like, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, it's a little crap. No, no. I'll come inside. I'll show you anyway. Come in for a drink.
I remember we bought a cabinet once and there was a crack on it.
Yeah,
and
we
had
paid
to
all that
call
money, of
them.
course.
They had to take
Yeah.
it back. But
Oh, yeah.
the one that they sent.
No, it wasn't
back
cracked. It was just it
after
just had a little
it
scratch.
was completely
Oh,
different.
wait till you see this crack.
And I
Oh, this one's alright.
Yeah, I think when you pay for it,
I paid top bloody dollar for it, and I thought, you know.
Yeah, I said to Ray, if we brought it, it was on a discount or something like that, maybe, but
It's different, but if you just take it back.
yeah.
See
What
it.
was it?
I don't know. They must have, when they took it out of the box, maybe they scratched it. That's good.
Nah, it has got, oh yeah, big crack in it.
No, take it back.
don't think it's that big.
It's big. We'll see, we'll have a vote when we get
But
it.
they paid good money for it. I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to wait sometimes up to 6 weeks to get a new one.
Oh, they'll do it quick. We only ordered it last Sunday and it came today. So we'll be able to get it quick, but they said I lodged a complaint today and they said it takes 3 to 5 business days to get a response. So I think maybe not this week, maybe next week. I'm getting solar put in this week on the house. It's really cheap. It's 3,500. And it's a 6.6 kilowatt.
I could have got a fucking up for a bloody nothing.
3, yeah.
I should have.
Should have. When he just get,
There and in the workshop, I could have bloody got them for nothing.
I reckon you should get it done now at your house.
Oh yeah, but
Why not?
I don't know for that.
How much do you spend on electricity bill a quarter? Your house? 500?
Something like that.
Yeah, we only spent about 300 and we got it done. Just, yeah, you won't feel bad about using like the air conditioner or
I don't know, I still use it.
I know, but I don't. We're pretty, like, we don't use it all the time. If you got solar, then you'd be like, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I suppose.
Do we have a manhole there?
Yeah, we wanted the walking road. Hasn't it? That's weird.
Oh no, I don't know why.
They probably did forget to do it.
Probably.
So if anything has to be done, they have to go on top of the roof and take out tiles.
It's such a crucial time of the game.
Show them the crack.
That's the crack there.
You can't even see it really. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You have to be in the right line.
Right there. It's a tiny crack.
I'll say that. You'll agree with me.
Nah,
You'll agree.
I think it's nothing.
Oh, now I can see a problem. Oh, yeah. I would send it back, yeah.
You would really?
Yeah, I thought it was like in the middle,
So that's the base of it.
Yeah.
And so all the weight's on that. Cause yeah, we've got it
That's the bottom, so you need to put the feet
Yeah.
here.
So we're gonna have it like, so it's all white shelves like these.
Yeah.
Oh,
There.
and that was gonna be the base of it.
Yeah.
And it's cracked.
Yeah, it's gonna wait.
Oh well. Wala na sila guys. Umalis na sila, kakaalis lang. What did you say earlier?
See you, Dad and Kathy.
No, you said something sweet. It's late guys. What time is it? It's really late. 11:24. My video tonight, I uploaded it. It was late, but that's fine. Yeah. I need to wrap Maddie's present. I-wrap natin. Oh no, I don't have to wrap that now. It's Saturday. Yeah. Tuesday pa yung birthday niya. Anyway, that was good. Did you vlog, babe? When you were in the car, when your dad was in the car?
I took the recording, but I know
Oh, you turned it
I
on?
don't know if you could see it or not.
Is he fine with it? Did he know that it was on? Buang ay sneaky.
I've got to use the other toilet.
No, you can use this toilet. It's fine.
Okay.
Alam mo, ganda tong ano na to, top na to. Pag ano, turtleneck. Ala. Babe, look. It looks good turtleneck. Kasi ano to eh, off the shoulder to eh. Ganyan. Maganda. Knitted, yung mga knitted na ano, maganda siya turtleneck. Di ba nag-haul ako kanina guys? Pagkatapos ko mag-haul, ilang minuto na lang dumating na sila. So hindi ko naligpit yung mga hinol ko doon. Galing namin sa restaurant. Pumunta sila dito sa bahay. Pagpasok nila, inopen talaga ni Dan. Sabi niya, ito yung filming room ni ano. Dito siya nag-film. Sabi ko, ang gulo-gulo. Kasi nandun yung mga lights, nandun yung sasaga. So, nag-explain naman ako. Sabi ko, hi, kaka-film ko lang ha. Tapos dumating agad kayo. So, pasensya na ang gulo-gulo. Babe, uy. Shh. Shh. You're the best. No, you're not. I'm just kidding. Pag mamas ako, guys, rice. Ito. Ito yung from Boom de Ada. We love the whole world. Ganyan. Sa ano ko to nabili ha? Altia Korea. Oh my gosh, ang lamig! Kapag hindi ako naglo-lotion. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Tiis ganda talaga itong mga ganito eh. Lalo na kapag winter.
A-N-O, then O-R-A-S.
What? Ah, that's anong oras? She's asking what time. Who's that? Is that Kathy or Lyra?
Kathy.
Yeah, I have the same question. Nag-invite sila guys. Doon kami mag-chill sa kanila bukas daw. So, wala kaming ganap bukas. So, perfect timing. Doon kami mag-chill.